Let's see how to make the Affogato, one of summer's most exclusive and impressive drinks, and it really is so simple. So to make an affogato, you simply take 1 scoop of ice cream. It can be served in a bowl or in a cup, and you need 1 shot of freshly poured espresso. Combine the two together and you'll create this amazing thing that's not quite a dessert and it's not quite a drink. You've got the complex combination of something very hot and something cold, something bitter and something sweet, and this meld of sensations and flavours just go together to make the affogato something very memorable and refreshing on a hot summer's day. Enjoy your affogato, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep up with the great coffee tips that we've got planned over the coming weeks and months. Thanks for watching. See you in this next video.